Chalo sir. Chalo sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to oliveboard. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I am both audible as well as visible. I am both audible as well as visible, I hope. Right? Chalo sir. Let us start with our practice set. Ashish, good evening, brother. Very good evening. Very good evening. Sir, first question is this one, sir. So the questions that were actually remaining from the previous slide, right? So this is the first question, 40 seconds time, very quickly solve, sir. Jaldi se, sir. Solve this very quickly. First question, this one. Reena is saying 7. Reena is saying 7. Some issue here. Chalo. Now, a word is in the form of a square with side 11 centimeters. Ashish is also saying 7. Perfect. Acha, side 11. Now, it is bent to form a circle. Sir, if this bending thing goes on, what remains the same? Sir, one thing that remains the same is, sir, perimeter. One thing that remains the same is perimeter. Right? So, just understand this. So what was the perimeter, sir? Over here, it's a square having sides 11. So total will be 44 centimeter. 4 into 11, sir. 4 into 11, like 44. Now that will be the circumference of the circle because perimeter in case of a circle is called circumference. So that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r means 44 by 7 into r. 2 pi is 44 by 7. So there you can find the value of r. 44 gone. R is equal to 7. Very simple question. Option number 4, 7 is the answer. Option number 4, 7 is your correct answer. Very simple question, right, sir? Very simple. Next one. Geometry question. Geometry question. Please solve. 40 seconds time, sir. 40 seconds time. 40 seconds time. Very quickly, please solve. There is some issue that I'm facing with the second screen. I don't know what is the problem. Just a second, I cannot see your comments. Just give me 1 second. Let's see why not. You guys are not facing any issue, na? You guys are not facing any issue, but I am facing some issue in this. I don't know why. Acha. Any answers? Any answers? Any answers as of now? Very simple question actually, this one. Very simple question actually, this one. If you draw a triangle, okay, this is ABC. Now what they've told us, angle B and angle C is given. AB and AC produce to point D and E respectively. Achha, sir. So AB and AC, they are produced to this thing, sir. Right? So this is point D This is point E, sir. Right? Now what they're saying? Now what the Arghamita is saying 50, 50, 50, 50. Bapre. So all are saying 50. Let's see. Now, bisectors of DBC, meaning sir, the external angle bisectors, they are meeting somewhere like this. At what point? At point F. Acha, sir. This angle is given. This angle is given. Sir, please understand this angle has a relation with which one? With this one, sir. So meaning this, if these two angles are given as what? One is 68, 32. That means they are actually trying to give you this angle. This angle will be what, sir? 180 minus this. Sir, 60 and 30, sir, 98 into 10, the meaning, sir, 100. So that means this angle is 80 degrees, sir. This angle is coming out to be how much? This angle is coming out to be 80-degree angle A. So this angle is what? 90 degree. 90 degree. Now, if it is outside, always remember, it is remembered like this, then it is minus half of angle A. So that means 90 minus 80 by 2 is 40. So 90 minus 40 will be 50 degree. Option number 3. Option number 3, sir. Yes, Reena, Arghamita, Ashish, all of you guys are correct. Remember here, please understand, if these were internal angle bisectors, say they had given you internal angle bisectors like this one. Okay. In that case, this angle is 90 degree. If the angle is inside the triangle, in that case, it is always plus angle A by 2. So in that case, your answer would have been 90 degree. 90 degree plus 80 by 2, that is 40 degree. So that angle would have been 130. But the external angle bisectors, it will always be minus. It will always be minus. Yes, Ashish, you are absolutely correct, brother. Absolutely correct you are. Very, very, very good question. And this property is very important for CGL, CHSL, for any SSC exams. This like questions based on this property. It is one of the most repeated types in geometry. ठीक है sir? Inlet, outlet, pipe and cistern question, sir. Pipe and cistern question, please solve. 40 seconds time. 40 seconds time. Quickly, sir. Quickly solve. Very, very quickly solve. Very, very, very quickly solve. Time up. Time is up. No answers as of now. Arghamita has given us the first answer, 30 degree. Arghamita is saying 30. Let's see. Arghamita is saying 30. Let's see the answer. Let us see. 30 degree, why I'm saying 30. Two inlets A and B. A and B can fill the tank in 32 hours and 28 hours respectively. Alternately 1 hour each they have been opened, with starting with A, then how much time the tank will be filled. Let's see, sir. Sir, let's figure out the efficiency. A ratio B. What will that be, sir? Sir, 1 by time ratio. 1 by 32. A takes 32 hours. Ratio 1 by 28. Right, sir? So it gives you actually 28 ratio 32. 4 sevens are this, 4 eights are this. 7 ratio 8, this is your efficiency ratio, meaning I can say A fills 7 liters every hour, B fills 8 liters every hour. Now total volumes are how much? Total volume of the tank, it's not a TV, it's a total volume. Total volumes are A fills 7 liters per hour into how many hours A takes? Sir, A takes 32 hours. So that is the total volume. Right, sir? This is how much? 224, right? 210, 7 2s are 14, 224 liters. Now the alternate thing comes. Now the alternate thing starts. Ashish is also saying 30. Let's see. Let's see, brothers and sisters, everyone, let's see. देखते हैं क्या होगा. So alternate starting with A. So A will be filling the first hour, then B, then again A, then again B, then again A, then again B, then again A, then again B, and it will continue like this. So I told you guys, whenever you see this situation, you need to bring packets. You need to form like packets, sir. A, B, A, B. Packets in such a format you need to form such that the volume, the total efficiency of each packet is equal. You see, each packet is of 2 hours each. Out of that 2 hours, 1 hour A is running, A is filling, another hour, the second hour B is filling. Sir, how much water gets filled in these 2 hours every packet? Sir, A fills 7 liters, B fills 8 liters. So A and B both will fill how much? 7 plus 8, 15 liters, sir. 15 liters. अच्छा, nearest integer बताया है. That is the reason ना. वही तो मैं सोचा कि how are you guys giving the answer in integer? 15, 20 to 24, absolutely not. Now, please understand, nearest integer when they have said na, and we have these values, you see, you don't need anything. Why? Because I know 15 into 15 gives you 225, sir. I know this. We all know this. So that means, can I say to fill this tank, approximately we will need 15 such packets. Can I say this? 15 such packets will need. 15 into 15 to 25. Every packet was of 2 hours each. So total time will be how much, sir? 15 packets means every packet 2 hours. 15 packets will be 30 hours. That is your answer, option number 2. So all of your answers were 100% correct. This was a very good question. Very simple but good. Not a difficult question. We cannot say it's a difficult one, but it's a good one. Clear, sir? Everybody clear? Very simple. चलो. सर टाइम एंड वर्क का क्वेश्चन है MDH कंसेप्ट के ऊपर. कंसेप्ट इज MDH, नॉट अ मसाला. Quickly, sir, solve. Please solve this very, very, very quickly. And again, I want answers from each and every one. I want answers from each and every one of you guys, brothers. Please try to solve. Try to solve and give me the answer. It might be wrong, it might be right, doesn't matter. Giving answers is more important. Participating is more important. Very good quality question, this one. Very, very, very good quality question. Any answers? Any answers? Any answers? Nahi hai abhi. So the trick here, the language is here to confuse you. That's the moral of the story. Understand this. Whenever you are getting confused, 8 days working 5 hours a day. So think, A can complete this in 40 hours. Can I say this? If I say this, will I be wrong? 5 hours a day into 8 days. 8 fives are 40. Simple logic. Working 6 hours a day, B can complete this in 10 days. So 6 into 10, sir, 60 hours. So time ratio is 40 ratio 60. Efficiency ratio will be what, sir? अरे पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है ये. Efficiency ratio will be what, sir? Sir, 60 ratio 40. So that is 3 ratio 2, sir. This is A, this is B. Simple as that. As simple as it gets. So A can do 3 units, B can do 2 units per hour. Per hour, sir. Right? Now, total work is how much, sir? Total work, whatever A can do in 8 days or in 40 hours, or whatever B can do in 60 hours, whatever. So, total work is, I'm going by A. A can do 3 units per hour. In 40 hours, A will do 3 into 40 hours. Now, time I need time. Total work by efficiency. Efficiency. Now, who will do, sir? They can jointly complete. They will jointly do 3 plus 2, 5 units every hour. Now, every day they are working for 8 hours. How many days? So, every day they are doing this much. This many units. This many units every day. This is the like efficiency per day. कल calculate कर लो वही तो आंसर है सर ये तो गया so 3 days. 3 days is your answer. अरे हाँ ये क्या हो गया सर? What have I missed? What have I missed? क्या मिस कर दिया हमने? अरे रुक जाओ. Have I missed something? Reena is also getting 3 days. ये क्या हो गया? अरे सर ये ऑप्शंस आर रॉन्ग. ऑप्शंस कैन नॉट बी दिस. कैसे हो सकता है सर? Absolutely. You see, 8 days. Please, A works alone completes in 8 days, working less number of hours a day. How can when both of them are working together take more number of days? When both of them are working together, how they will always take less number of days? You see, common sense. ये गलत है sir. The 3 days is the correct answer. 100%. This is the correct answer. I guess some mistake. हाँ देखो ना देखो. Options are as same as the last question. 22, 30, 36. My typist forgot to change the options. Yes, Arghamita, yes, exactly. Working 8 hours, they will take like working 1 hour, they will take 24. So again, you see, you get rid of this, you'll get 24. So 8 hours a day you have to consider. Na? So 3 days is the answer. 3 days is the answer. So again, please, Vinod, Ashish, Arghamita, please just correct the mistake. Please correct the mistake, right? This is not a major one, very minor mistake, but again, please correct it. So options गलत दे दिया. मेरा typist नहीं. ये देखो, he just copied, forgot to like do this option, like correction. गलत हो गया sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Mixture alligation. Replacement type question, sir. Replacement type question, sir. जल्दी से sir, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Very, very, very quickly, please solve. Replacement type question, good one. Very good one. Anyone? Any answers? Sir, remember one thing. Remember one thing. The replacement, about the replacement concept. Replacement concept. Whenever you see this word replacement, पता नहीं what is happening. There is something that is not right. इधर भी क्या ऐसा होगा? पता नहीं. Let's see. Now replacement, whenever you are saying, if the things are getting replaced with the same volume, which is the case most of the time, always remember one thing remains constant. One thing always remains constant. That is total volume, sir. Total volume always remains constant, sir. Remember this. Total volume will always remain constant, sir. Total volume will always remain constant. Let's see, Arkamita. Let's see. I don't know the answer. I do not know the answer, honestly. Now, there is a vessel having liquids A ratio B, that is 5:3 given. 5:3 given to you. When 10 liters of the solution is taken out and replaced by same quantity of B. So what happened? I have taken out 10 liters of the solution and replaced it with 10 liters of B. So please understand, whenever you are seeing such, whatever you are replacing it with, do not touch that. Just calculate A. Now, think like this. Think like this. Sir, for example, if I go by percentage, just think about percentage. Just think about percentage. Sir, if I pick out 20% of the solution, if I from here I can take out 20% of the solution. Can you think, sir, acha, that means from A also I'll take out 20%. From B also I'll be taking out 20%. From A I'll be taking out 20%. From B I'll also be taking out 20%. Yes or no, please? Yes or no, please? Right? So meaning 10 liters when I'm taking out, I will be taking out, meaning the ratio always remains the same. A in those 10 liters, so ratio will always be 5:3. So whatever was the quantity, so it will be lessened by, say if I say it was 5x liters and it was 3x liters. So now the quantity will be, sir, 5x liters was there minus. So the 10 liters that I have taken out, the 10 liters that I have taken out, in there, how much was A, sir? 5:3, meaning 5 out of 8 parts. 5 out of 5 plus 3, 8 parts. This much was what? This much A I have taken out. So now A in the solution is this. You will say, sir, B is how much? B is how much, sir? Sir, B you don't need to calculate. Why? Remember, sir, the total volume is constant. Total volume initially was 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. So now it will be 8x minus this. So 8x minus 5x, if you do, you are ending up with 3x. And this minus minus becomes plus. So calculation kar de. 2 4s are this, 2 5s are this. That is 25/4. This ratio is given as 10:11, sir. This is given as 10:11. We can figure out the value of x from here. Very simple words mein we can figure out the value of x. Chalo, let's do it. Let us do it, sir. So this is 5x minus 25/4 divided by, this is 3x plus 25/4. It is equal to 10 divided by 11. Cross multiply, sir. 55x minus, do not multiply, 25 into 11/4. It is equal to 10, 10 into 3, sir, 30x plus 25 into 10/4, sir. Sir, if you take this to this side, 25x will be, sir, 25/4, and 11 plus 10 will give you, sir, 21. 25 gone. X is equal to 21/4. Now what they're asking? They're asking the initial quantity of solution. That was the value of 8x. So 8x will be what, sir? 8 times 21 divided by 4. 4 2s are gone. So 42 liters. 42, option C is your correct answer. 42. Option C will be your correct answer. You see, this was a little tricky question. Little tricky question. Please understand, we are not doing the very basic questions. This is, if you want, like which year or shift was this, I can give you that as well. Ye kaun hai? Just a second, I'm giving you that. So this PPT was actually made earlier only, okay. I couldn't take the last class na. So मैं बता देता हूँ ये कब का था सर. No. CGL 2019 का क्वेश्चन था. This is CGL 2019. CGL 2019 this was. Perfect. Very good quality quiz. Very good quality quiz. Acha, this is, everybody understood this na? Everyone, this is clear na? You see, like this has to be clear to everyone, because always remember na, whenever the initial quantity will not be given in case of replacement type questions na, you have to make an equation. वो इधर से देखो और उधर से देखो. So that is something that you must do. So वो थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के चलना. So understanding this is very important. Sir, please solve. Please solve, sir. If you have any doubts, feel absolutely free to ask. ऐसा नहीं है कि YouTube है तो I won't explain. I will explain 100%. Anywhere you get stuck, please ask me. चलो सर. चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो सर. 80, 80, 80. I got 80 as answers. I got 80 as answer from Arghamita. बाकी होगा. A dealer had 120 kg of wheat. A part of it was sold at 10% gain. Rest as this. Sir, ये तो allegation का question है sir. This you should do. Ashish, Vinod, Reena, perfect. So this is a proper question of using allegation. Very simple. Sir, one part is sold at 10%. The other part is sold at 25%. The overall profit is 15%. It's a ratio you can find, because allegation theorem, the output is always ratio. The output always is ratio. So this is 5%, 5, and this is 10. So the ratio will be what, sir? 2:1. 2:1. So 120 kg will be divided in this part. Now they are asking only the 10% wala part. So 10% you divide. So two parts, total 2 plus 1, 3 parts. 3 parts total. That is equal to 120 kgs. So every part is 40 kg, 2 parts will be 80 kgs. That is your answer. That is most definitely your answer, option 1. This was a relatively much easier question. This was relatively a much easier question. But again, the identification is tough. In allegation questions, that is the most difficult part to identify, to understand, acha, this question can be solved using allegation. That's the biggest thing. That is your biggest challenge. Right, sir? Next one. Next one, sir. Variation question. Very good. You see, these are not very common questions. But again, all our PYQs, all have been asked. So if the vendor is changed, so please understand these questions might come back. Argamita is saying 6. Let's see. Let's see. Very simple, this one. Very simple question. Four. Acha, 4, 4. Chalo, let's see. 4. Sir, x varies inversely as y. What does it mean? It means x varies 1 by y. Right, sir? Now, you can do it in two different ways. Using k, not using k. I'll show you both. I'm showing you both. So if I don't want to use k, in that case, I need to take ratio. So x1 by x2. X, the value of x in situation 1 by value of x in situation 2. It is, sir, x1 means 1 by y means this will be y1. And this will be division. Division means division of division is multiplication. Y2 by y1. Put down the values. X is 2 when y is 6. So x1 is 2. X1 is 2, sir, when y1 is 6. The value of y, that means they're asking value of y2 when x is 3, sir. So this is the question. Anybody can solve in 2 seconds. Sir, y2 will be 4. The value of y2 will be 4, sir. Now, another way, sir, another way of solving this. Now, some might say, sir, is there, yes, Reena, you are also correct. Is there any other way of solving this? Yes. By using k also you can solve. Sir, x varies as 1 by y. Sir, whenever you want to get rid of this sign, you must introduce a constant. Sir, how to do that? Sir, x equal to k is the constant, equal k. So remember, this thing that is equivalent to some equal sign and a constant. ऐसे याद रखो. So it is equal to k into 1 by y. So k will be what, sir? K will be x into y, sir. Now, if you remember, sir, if x is 2, y is 6. So k will be what, sir, from that situation? Because k is constant, k won't change. So 6 into 2, 12. Ho gaya kaam, sir. Now, this was the relation. Sir, I need x, when x is 3, I need the value of y. I don't know 1 by y value, I'll figure out. K to is constant, k I know, now it is 12. Done, sir. This is 4. So the value of y is 4. When this is this. So this is also another way of solving. Now, if you prefer this, go with this. If you prefer this, go with this. Perfect, sir. Everybody clear, sir? Everybody clear? This is also a PYQ. This is also one PYQ, sir. ये भी PYQ है, sir. Perfect. So I've given you both the ways. Now the choice is up to you. The ball is in your court, sir. Algebra ka, not a very difficult question. Need answers. Quickly, sir. Quickly give me the answer. Argamita 45 root 2. 45 root 2. Let's see. Let's see. Now, sir, x square this. Sir, whenever you see something like this color you guys can see now properly. हाँ, ठीक. Hopefully you can see this. हाँ, proper. Sir, middle wala term, you always divide this x. So if I divide by x now, sir, this x square by x will become x. This will become minus 3 root 2. Why? Because x cancels. And this will become 1 by x. 0 by something is 0. So from here, x plus 1 by x, you send this to that side. 3 root 2. Once you get this, x cube plus 1 by x cube, or everybody, I'm guessing you know, if x plus 1 by x is p, if this is p, sir, then this is p cube minus 3p. So just put down, so p is this. 3 root 2 whole cube. 3 cube is 27. Acha, 1 second, sir. Root over of anything, if I take whole cube, na sir, it is always a root a. Why? If you want to know why, you might have this question, sir, क्यों होता है? So root a whole cube means what? Root a into root a into root a. Cube means 3 times multiplication. 2 times multiplication gives you a, and this is a root a. That is why we write this. This is the exact reason why we write this. So now 3 cube is 27. 2 cube will be say 2 root 2 minus 3 times root, like 2 root 2. So 3 times p is 3 root 2. So 3 3 is a 9 root 2, sir. So 54 root 2, 27 2, sir, minus 9, sir, 45 root 2. That is your answer. Khatam, sir. Option 3. Option 3. Yes, very, very, very simple. Very, 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 very simple questions. Right, sir? Very simple question. Very simple. Not a difficult question. Now again, I need more answers. Need more answers. Again, good question, this one. Please solve. Please solve, sir. 40 seconds time. जल्दी से सर, जल्दी से सर. बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन. This is a beautiful, beautiful question. Any answers? I have not got any answers. This is a good question. Again, PYQ hai. These are the special questions that SSC has every year. One of those. So let's see. 6 to the power x, 3 to the power y, 2 to the power z. And sir, you have this. Good question, sir. Sir, let's take it as k, sir. Okay. So 6 to the power x is k. 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. Can I say, sir? Using indices, using the normal logic of indices, can I say this? I'm getting two answers, 1 or 0. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Now, similarly, 3 to the power y is equal to k. So k will be, like, sorry, 3 will be, sir, k to the power 1 by y. Similarly, sir, from this 2, I can write k to the power 1 by z. And only one relation I have, and everybody knows, between 2, 3, and 6. That is, 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So meaning, sir, k to the power 1 by x, that is 6, it is equal to k to the power 3 is 1 by y into 2 means k to the power 1 by z. So logically, k to the power 1 by x is equal to k to the power this thing plus this thing, that is 1 by y plus 1 by z. Right? Because a to the power m into a to the power n powers gets added. Sir, base are equal. Base is equal, sir. So can I say 1 by x will be equal to 1 by y plus 1 by z? Khatam, sir. That means this value is 0. This value is 0, sir. This value is 0. Yes, Reena, Argamita, Vinod, you guys are all correct. All of you guys are correct. Now you want to know which exam or which year this question was asked? वो भी मैं बता सकता हूँ. बता देता हूं, रुको। This is CGL 2022. CGL 2022, sir. चलो, one more question. One more question, sir. अच्छा, I have a class also today after this, so आज थोड़ा जल्दी जाएंगे. Okay, I have to leave a little early because I have another class after this. And again, I can say one thing. We are leveling up ourselves. So you see, we are solving questions faster now. Any answers? Sir, paper दिया है sir. Cylinder is formed by rolling the paper अच्छा along its breadth. बढ़िया. Meaning there was a paper like this. There was one paper such as this one, sir. Right? Now we have rolled it in which direction? We have rolled it like this. Along the breadth, not along the length. Along the breadth. So please understand the thing that I'll get, the cylinder. So this is going to be the height now, sir. Extremely sorry. The length of the paper will be the height, sir. That is 50 centimeter. And sir, this width of the paper will be what? The circumference of the base, na, sir. Visualize. This will become the circumference of the base. That means 2 pi r. So 2 pi r will become 22. So meaning 44 by 7 into r is 22. So this is 2 times. So r becomes 7 divided by 2, sir. What they're asking? The volume of the cylinder. Sir, pi r square each. 22 by 7 into r square. मच्छर कहाँ से आ गया? Into h. So let's calculate. So 7 sevens are this. 4 ये चला गया 2 ये चला गया 1. So 25 into 7 is how much? 175 into 11, sir. 175 into 11 is 1925 centimeter cube. Sashi is absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct, Sashi. You are absolutely correct. Very, 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 very good. Clear this one? Again, you want to know the name of the exam or like the year? This is a question. This is a question from कहाँ गया भाई? CGL 2024 only. This year's question. This year's question, sir. So again, that is it then. I am ending the class then today here only. Okay? And again, just a quick announcement before I go. Tomorrow, 5 to 7 p.m. 5 to 7 p.m. I will be taking a marathon session on geometry-based mensuration questions. Very important topic, okay? But again, not very clearly given in any of the books. So I'll take questions, PYQs, most probable questions, everything. So it's a marathon session. Tomorrow we will be doing. So anyone, if you are interested, if you need, sure, Alchemy. So again, I'll be taking the session straight 2 hours, no breaks, 5 to 7. Okay? Beach me if you need, I'll give you a couple of minutes. But again, the whole class will start at 5 and it will go till 7. Now, sometimes I get 5 minutes late before because I have classes till 5. वो खत्म करके I come to this class, right? So again, thank you so much, everyone. I will again see you guys then tomorrow at 5 p.m. Like with this topic. So again, I hope you guys will join and definitely we will learn it together. Any doubts, vagera, anything that you might have like already, please bring those. I'll solve those questions as well. ठीक है. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you have loved, liked the session. If you have, please hit that like and definitely share it among your friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if anyone is interested in this session among your friend groups, please let them know about this so that they can also join. So again, thank you so much everyone. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.